Hi! In front of me is HUAWEI P10 Lite, and today I would like to show you how you can open apps in split screen view. First of all, select one of your apps that you wish to use in this view. And when you're done, click on this square button at the bottom right corner to access chosen app in the background. Now click on this icon with two rectangles at the top right corner of your app and select the second one. As you can see, now I can use both at the same time. If you wish to go back from this mode, drag one of your apps all the way up or all the way down and tap on Home button. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!